Can headphones dent your head? Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we will discuss can headphones dent your head that you can buy on Amazon. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. I have prepared this video guide for can headphones dent your head. So let's get started. If you wear headphones daily, you might have noticed the headband-shaped dent on your hair after taking them off. This may just be an aesthetic concern for you, but what happens when you notice a slight skin indentation on the area where your headband was? It can be alarming to see dents on your head because of headband use. And the anxiety gets worse when, after a while, the dent is still there. At this point, you may be wondering, did my headphones really cause a dent in my skull? Well, that's what this article is for. We'll discuss if using headphones can actually cause a dent in your head and what you can do to prevent headphone dents. Let's get right to it. No, headphones can't dent your head. A study reports that it takes at least 135 kilograms to cause a minor fracture to the skull. It's safe to assume the clamping force of your headphones won't cause any harm. However, there have been viral posts on Reddit every so often that make fun of streamers' head dent after wearing them for hours. When this League of Legends streamer took off his headphones, a crease on his head was visible on camera. He had the same headband crease happen to him after streaming for a few hours. Another streamer, Live, recently found out he has a headphone dent while shaving his head for charity. If headphones can't dent your head, then why do these streamers have an apparent crease on their head after wearing them? Headphone hair happens when your headphone's headband exerts pressure on the top of your head over a prolonged period of usage, flattening the hair. If the headband is tight enough, it may also leave a temporary crease on your skull. You don't need to worry about it since headphone hair won't cause any permanent damage. So, your hair will gradually return to its original shape in a few minutes. But if the crease takes you off more than it should, check how to get rid of the headphone. This is similar to the mark that your pair of eyeglasses sometimes leaves on your face after a whole day of wearing them. They're apparent at first, but they slowly fade away after a few minutes of not wearing the glasses. The headphone dent on top of your head will eventually go away. But if you have to get rid of it this very minute, here are some methods you can try. Massage or rub the area. Wet hair or have a hot shower. Take periodic breaks from wearing headphones. Gently rubbing the headphone dent and the surrounding area might improve blood flow. As a result, this can help your skin return to its original shape faster. The most effective way to avoid headphones dent is to take them off every hour or so. Not only will it save you from headphone dent, but this will also prevent sore ears that often happen along with it. If you have an actual dent on your skull, it's more likely to be caused by a pre-existing medical condition than your headphones. Headphone dents typically last only a few minutes to a few hours. So, if they stay for more than a day, you should get them checked out by your doctor. If you're positive you have a dent in your skull, it's best to seek help immediately. You should take indentations on the skull seriously. Common indentation causes are genetic or congenital diseases that require immediate intervention. In any case, several conditions may cause an indented skull. For example, congenital skull indentation, Paget's disease of the bone, Gorham's disease, trauma, cancer. Also called craniosynostosis, congenital skull indentation is a disease that often happens to fetuses and newborns. Newborns have fibrous joints called sutures that separate the plates of bone on the skull, allowing the brain to expand as they grow. When these sutures close too early, the brain and skull's growth could cause a dented shape to the skull. In Paget's disease of the bone, the body generates new bones faster than the normal rate. This could cause the body to produce bones that are weaker than normal. As a result, bone pains, fractures, and even deformities are more likely to happen. This disease commonly occurs to elderlies and is rarer for people below 50 years old.